A very good morning, my dear students. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Astha Gulati, and today we are going to do the chapter number 7, the book exercise, and this is the video number 3. Children, we are going to start with the exercise B because exercise A and the question answers I will be posting it in the assignments. So children, please take out your books and mark the answers. Choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. Ankita dash abroad with her parents. Could not go. She dash brothers or sisters. Did not have any. Her grandparents had a goat and a dog. She couldn't watch TV dash in Kodi whenever she wanted in Kodi. Ankita tried calling her friends but dash in her cell phone. There was no signal. Now children, we are going to do the next exercise, that is expand words, and this is the page number 69. Children, in the first one you have to take out or strike out the odd words in each group. Say why it is odd. Ankle, elbow, knee and thigh. Ankle, knee and thigh, children, are the parts of your leg, and elbow is not the part of your leg, so it is an odd word. Boxing, judo, karate, taekwondo is all judo, karate and taekwondo is all martial arts, but boxing is not, so it is an odd word. In the page number 670, ant, centipede, wasp and spider. So wasp is the odd one because wasp cannot fly. Boat, canoe, submarine and yacht. Submarine, children, because all the other transports they all go on the water and submarine travels underwater. Cup, fork, knife, spoon. Cup is not the part of a cutlery, so it is odd one. Carrots, eggs, potatoes, spinach. Eggs is the odd one, children, because all others are vegetables. Cello, guitar, trumpet, violin. Trumpet is the odd one because it is not a stringed instrument. Almond oil, diesel oil, mustard oil and olive oil. Diesel oil is the odd one because children, all other oils, almond, mustard and olive oil, we use it as we eat it, they are edible, and a diesel oil is not edible, so it is odd one. Children, in the next exercise, say it right. Match each word with a word from the help box according to its vowel sound, then add 2 more words with the same vowel sound. Walk, hawk, talk, chalk. Turn, burn, born, acorn. Dog, log, blog, fog. Pair, that is bear, affair and air. Sieve, heave, that is leave, weave and relieve. Sleep, heap, beep and jeep. Next exercise, children, on the page number 71. Here are some more phrasal verbs with break. Use them to complete the sentences. Make changes as needed. Refer to a dictionary for help with their meanings. So the first question is, the sun dashed from behind the dark clouds, that is broke through. 2 prisoners have broken out of the central prison. Last night, a thief tried to break into a house across the road. The runner increased her speed to break away from other runners. He had to break off the conversation when somebody rang the doorbell. We have already done in grammar chapter tenses, so here are some exercises on tenses. Change the highlighted verbs into the present continuous tense and rewrite the continuous in your notebooks. So she sends messages, she is sending messages. I write for a magazine, I am writing for a magazine. Jaya works at a restaurant, Jaya is working at a restaurant. The boys go to that park to play. The boys are going to that park to play. And this is the page number 72, continuous to that, the exercise on page number 71. The fourth question, the train runs late by a few minutes. The train is running late by a few minutes. We eat green vegetables to stay healthy. We are eating green vegetables to stay healthy. This was, children, present continuous, so we used is and are plus the ing form of the verb. Now we are going to the past tense. So this is exercise B for the past tense. Tick the correct form of the verb to be used in each sentence. I was studying when you opened the door. He dropped some tea on his favorite shirt. We are eating a pizza at the cafe yesterday. So we ate a pizza at the cafe yesterday. They played or were playing in the park when it started raining. So they were playing in the park when it started raining. Who was sitting in the drawing room a few minutes ago? Now children, we are going to the future tenses. Future tense means when we are talking about simple future, that is only will and the normal verb form, that is play, then chase, then cry, whatever the verb will be in normal, the tense, present tense. So here will be added with the verb, so it is future, simple future tense. And when we are talking about future continuous tense, we will be writing will plus be plus ing form in the verb. Children, we talk about simple future, we add only will, and when we talk about future continuous tense, we talk about will plus be plus ing. We write or we use will plus be plus ing. So here is the next exercise on future continuous forms on the page number 73. Turns to ask and answer questions by using the future continuous tense of the verbs in brackets. Follow the example. What will you be doing this evening? I will be playing cricket at the club. Children, I told you whenever we use future continuous forms, we use will plus be plus ing. So here the first sentence, children. What will your mother be making for dinner tonight? She will be making fried rice. Second one. Will you be returning to Bhopal this month? No, I will be going next month. Where will you be spending your winter holidays? I will be staying with my grandparents. Where will you be waiting for us? I will be standing at the bus stop when your bus arrives. So here, children, exercise C. Change these sentences according to the instructions in brackets. He learned 4 languages. Simple future tense. He will learn 4 languages. I will speak at the conference. Future continuous tense. I will be speaking at the conference. They were dancing the whole night. Simple future tense. They will be dancing the whole night. She is not going anywhere. Future continuous tense. She will not be going anywhere. She will not be going, children. We watched the film together. We will be watching the film together. So children, the last sentence, she won many awards. Future continuous tense. She will be winning many awards. Children, we are on the page number 73. Here are some fun questions for you to think about. Listen carefully and complete the questions. Make sure you write the correct spellings. Have you ever? You have to make sentences, children, which starts with have you ever, and there's a question mark at the end also. Have you ever acted like a clown? Have you ever visited your grandparents' house? How does an elephant walks? How often does it rain in Bokaro? If today is Monday, what will be tomorrow? How are you today? How will you run if a bull chases you? How often do you go on holidays? How will you feel if you get hurt? And the last sentence, children, if it is 6 in the evening now, what will it be after 1 hour. So here children, on the page number 74, this was the last exercise, and your question answers, verb forms and noun forms, meanings and everything, I will post it in the assignment in the Campus Care and in the Google Classroom as well. Okay children, thank you and take care.